G'day guys, this is Wayne and Judy here from Down Under. This is a machine that we've always wanted and we picked one up today. So as you can see, it is not complete, but it is in pretty good condition. So it came without the bobbin plate or slide plate, and also didn't have a shuttle. But as you can see, it's now sewing very, very, very nicely. So what we're going to do is show you a very temporary fix whilst you're waiting for the original. And who knows, if you've got a good enough supply of what we call rubber bands, here in Australia rubber bands, or calling is not naughty. But we call them elastic bands or rubber bands. So what we're going to do is show you exactly what we've done with this. So in here you can see, here's the rubber band here. So we've just removed that. And the actual shuttle we're using for this, if I can pull it out one-handed, I'm not going to be able to. So that is a Husqvarna bobbin. So you've got the Husqvarna bobbin, and that fits in there beautifully. That does the job, and it sits in there really, really nicely. But the problem with the original white, it's slightly larger in diameter, and it clips underneath this foot here. So it sews, and it sews well, but I've got to keep a bit of pressure on there, but only enough pressure so the actual shuttle doesn't pop out. So what we've done is we've put the rubber band round there, and we've also put it on there. So that there is relatively loose. Always happens when you're trying something. So we'll set that on there. We'll get rid of this, which we don't want. And what we'll do is we'll see how the thread still pulls through there. And that actually holds that Husqvarna shuttle in very, very nicely. So this is a very simple, easy, temporary fix whilst you're waiting for the original or a replacement. So this appears to be doing an absolute fantastic job. Simple, easy, the Husqvarna shuttles, they're certainly readily available. Then you can use the Husqvarna bobbins, which are also readily available. Plus you also need your bag of rubber or elastic bands. So if you've got an endless supply of rubber bands and a Husqvarna bobbin and shuttle, we'll pick this up, turn that around. So now all I've got to do is make myself an end plate, something temporary. But there's absolutely nothing wrong with that, is there? So whilst you're waiting for the real thing, get yourself a husky thing. So that's Wayne and Judy signing off. Happy sewing and good luck with this absolutely beautiful embossed white, which we've wanted for a long time. So that's Wayne and Judy signing off. Happy sewing.